In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Supercell ID verification code not received on Gmail. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let us begin. So the first step is you might want to go to your Gmail. So after you're on your Gmail, just go and check your spam folder. It's a simple mistake, but some mails are on your spam. So check your emails spam and see if there is an email from Supercell. So if there is no email from Supercell, what you might want to do is go to your app store and search for your Gmail. And after you search for your Gmail, if there is an update available, just update it. So after you update it, if there isn't any error on the Gmail's side, it will get fixed. And after doing that, what you'll need to do is try to get the verification code again. So you can just open up any app like Clash of Clans or Brawl Stars and just go to your Supercell and try to log in again. Now if none of that works, go to your Safari, and after you're there, just go to supercell.com, or you can just type in Supercell support portal, and after you're there, just tap on the support on the top. And after you do that, you will need to just find your problem right here. You can just contact them too and report this problem to them. So it's that simple, guys. That is how you can fix your Supercell ID verification code not received on Gmail. And that is all for the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.